Hi, good morning. How are you? Some of the students going to write supplement exam and other all of them ready for the main exam also. In after exam or at the time of the exam, most of the students will tell we are forget everything. We are studying up to last night without sleep, but we forget. We don't know what we need to do. And some of them students will tell everything we forget at the time of exam and after complete the exam some of the points we are remembering what we need to do and some of them tips how we need to ready for the exams here we are going to discuss. First things, practice the past papers. That is one of the basic things. We need to practice the past exams. Otherwise you do one thing, in according to my suggestion, each of the topics prepare some of the questions self and try to write self. It's like a essay type or long essay, short essay, differentiate. Prepare self question and try to write one, two, or how much time you can write. Try to write that much time. So then you will be thorough in that topic. And one more things, please write each answer in paper. You may think we have thorough knowledge in topic, but please write in whatever things you have studied, that please write in paper. That is my sincere request. So practice past papers. That is one of the most important things. In last 2 or 3 days I am uploading fourth year basic nursing all question papers, not all, 2014 to 20, what all of the question paper are available in Kuhas. That first chapter and second chapter we are already uploaded, and coming days will be upload other topics also. So only one target is that you should practice the all past papers. So practice, practice, practice. Only do the practice, only we can success. So there is some tip. There is a really is a no better way to get exam ready than by attempting past papers. Most of the exam bodies should have the past papers available online, but your teachers will get you started on this in class. This process is not just about preparing an answer for a specific question, it is about understanding how to approach a question. That is the most important things why we need to attend the exam or why we need to write self exam. That is approach how to write each question. You will get idea how to write the question. So that is the most important things, the practice the test paper. Okay, then second one, read all question carefully, because already we have time according to university 10-minute time is there. So please read 1, 2 or 3 times. There's no need to tension or don't worry about anything, but read 2 or 3 times. I have past experience whenever my exam times. I didn't read some of the question thoroughly. What will happen after complete the exam? Whenever we are checking one more time, oh, I think what I will do. I didn't read that question thoroughly. That's why I returned some of the faults. I have like that experience. So my sincere request: read test all question thoroughly. So the stress of this situation can cause your misread a questions, plan your answer out and start writing your response, then realize you make a mistake and wasted a while times. Even though you generally won't be writing answer to every question on the paper, read all questions thoroughly, because you have stress or something too much is there in that time of exam. We don't know what all of the things will come in our mind, but sincere request, not one time, not 2 times, read each question paper 3 times at least, and ensure you make the right choice and can highlight how much you know about the topic. So read question paper thoroughly. Then another point, manage your time. That is the most important things. Last family health service, that topic when I uploaded that first slide, I mentioned some of the time management. So manage your time. So according to your question paper and model question paper, please read that question paper and practice and plan time. Some of the students will tell, sir, we didn't get enough time. Not some, all of them will tell at the end of exam, we didn't get time. Why you won't get time? You didn't plan the time before writing the exam. So please plan time. Each question, how much time you need to take. Please plan, please plan, please plan. This is where you need to be strict on yourself. Once you have assigned a time limit for each question, you must move on once you hit it, or you won't be able to give the next question your full attention. Remember to leave yourself some time at the end to go back over your answers and add in little notes or piece of information about the topic, and you never know, this could help to bump you up to a grade. According to my recommendation, at least whenever you are planning that time, the last at least 10 minutes you should have remaining, because whenever we have check some of the question, you know very well, and some of them won't. So give attention whenever you are writing the each question. Plan what you are accordingly, what you planned in before, like that. If you know or don't know, write that all question in same time, and be write after that which are the question you have thorough in last 50 minutes. So keep in last 50 minutes in time according to your writing plan. So it will help. You can write in what are the question you know thoroughly, that question you can write in expanded in last 50 minutes, and up to last 50 minutes or up to 165 minutes, write all question equally, and plan and write each question equally in up to 165 minutes. So please take university model question paper and past question paper plan time, and give equal opportunity to write answer or what are the things you know if you don't know. So please write and attempt all questions. Then another one is structure your answer. That is one of the most important things. Don't jump into the writing your answer. Take the first few minutes to plan the structure of your answer, which will save your time when you are diving into the meaty parts. Always stay on the topics. If you are discussing the role of women in society portrayed by the author of the Mice and Men's, don't disguise and start outlining the other themes into the book of the examples. So the everything should have one introduction, three main points, and one conclusion, or one introduction, one definition. If you know, please write definition. If you thoroughly know, write the author name, otherwise leave it. One introduction, definition, the content, and one conclusion. And try to underline. If you know correctly that point, please underline, otherwise leave it. So structure your answer. That first 10 minutes, 9:20. If exam will begin in morning, they will give question paper at 9:20. So you read that question paper 2 or 3 times, max minimum 3 times. Then you plan how you need to write each question. Within 10 minutes you can do this all things. So please structure your answer. And another one, explore both sides of an argument. Think each question plus and minus. Maybe some of the questions you know thoroughly and other of them not. So that both side argument, what are the things need to write, what are the things you need to leave, the time planning, everything should be planned. And another one, brainstorm possible exam question. This is what I will tell main points. This brainstorms possible exam question is nothing but we are planning for exam two types. One, what in textbook and notebook, that all things will be read and that all things will be studied, and another things in that points or whatever in teacher's class we got the points, or in textbook and notebook what point we got, we'll write that everything in one paper, just point only. If long essay, it will complete within one half page. Just points only. At the time of examination or the time of revision, we will mix this both, that all content with the points. And at the time of exam, this point will help you to study well. So that is a brainstorm. So please do like that, make it point, and not only in point, read all content thoroughly and make it point. Then another one, during the exam, keep the track of time. This is one of the main important thing. Plan time properly. Follow the essay writing strategy practice. List, calm, outline, and write. The exam should write. That is one of most important thing. List out all points thoroughly in exam paper. Whatever you know, list out. And another things, they write the exam in very calm. Why you need to take tension? There's no need to tension, because you are going to write. This is not a first time you are attending the exam. Up to 10th 12th you are passed. Why you passed up to 10th and 12th? You have a good brain, you have good capacity to write the exam. So attend exam very calmly, and outline should be in their exam, and write thoroughly, neatly. And one of most important things, try to write neat. That is one main things. Maybe your handwriting is not good, no problem, but try to write neat. And if your handwriting is not good, try to write at least some big sentence, so that exam whole of them that evaluator can read that exam answer in pakka. So use like that trick, and underline all points. One thing, that paper should be read, and paper should be visible for that evaluator. That is one of the things. If your paper can't read properly, you can earn the mark. So please write neatly. And another one, go in confidence. You know you will well prepared, but don't let nerves get in your way. Eating good breakfast, listen your favorite song on the way of exam, bring bottle of water, lot of extra pens and pencil, show up early. This is one of the most things you need to underline. Eat good breakfast, and according to my suggestion, sleep well, at least 7 to 8 hours in last day, and listen your favorite song, and pray before going to exam. And another things, bring a bottle of water, take at least 2 or 3 pen pencil whatever you need, and check one more time before leaving. Hall ticket and everything you should be take. Check one more thing, one more time, and tell your parents, please pray for us, because we are going to write the exam. Please tell your parents, please pray for us. That words will get you a big blessing. That's my sincere request. So go to the exam confidence. Best of luck. You will pass. Every students will pass, sure. Best of luck, my dear students. Thank you.